I'm delighted to be here with all of you today at the launch, or the official launch, of the Health Radiology Centre. And right at the outset, let me just say I'm so pleased to see you all here to support Dr. Amitesh Raj, a young Fijian at heart. And this particular level of of interest truly reflects the importance of acknowledging Dr. Raj's accomplishments and that of his team. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually told that the Health and Radiology Centre will provide private radiology services to Fijians along Korovo right through to Nambua corridor, and a great provision for professional radiology services for everyone to access. Radiology, as you all may know, is one of the central nodes of any healthcare system, and the way that radiology community has actually risen to meet the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic truly champions our presence and support to grow radiology in Fiji. During the pandemic, timely and accurate interpretation of radiographs played a vital frontline role in the diagnosis and grading and triaging of patients before their COVID-19 PCR test results were confirmed. This meant, ladies and gentlemen, that Fijian radiologists had to quickly prepare and approach to manage and change and sustain its outcomes, basically dressed in full PPEs and making it quite challenging for radiologists. Nonetheless, we've all persevered and come out afresh and anew. As we all know, ladies and gentlemen, the impacts of the pandemic are actually quite complex, and especially right now, and its impacts will actually continue to be complex as we enter a new post-COVID era. Inevitably, our vulnerable citizens will continue to require health care, increasing the demand for more imaging needs. And they say that the health and the wealth of our people is the health and the wealth of our economy. So when we actually elevate our services, be it education or health, we are directly contributing to the economy. And it's modern services like this that's being offered today that actually help build a healthier Fiji. I believe that the radiology community will continue to be leaders in innovation and actually striving for medical excellence and ensuring value-driven healthcare. And I'm not going to talk for long. I know you're all very hungry. So on that note, I just want to commend Dr. Amitesh Raj for his dedication and his commitment, especially because he's a young Fijian and he's actually making his dreams come to a reality. And I wish Dr. Raj and the team of Health Radiology Centre well in their new beginnings, and hopefully one day you can open one up in the west near my hometown. All the best to you. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Never leave.